Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal and I'm back with another video to see how I transform into this beautiful goddess. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, it's that time again. I'm about to install this beautiful baby. She is a 14-inch lace frontal. This is actually a water wave. And she was sent to me by this hair company out through Amazon, SERWELL Hair. They sent me the caps to put on as well. And they also sent me some lashes. But I'll be installing my own lashes today. So if you are interested in purchasing through them, that's their name, SERWELL Hair Service. And like I said, I got it through Amazon. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Blonde hair dye. I do not use regular bleach on my wigs, and the reason for this, I find it's too time consuming. So I just buy a regular dye in the blonde, and it works the same. As you can see, I rinsed it out, hit bleach them knots, baby. They list the same, but if you choose to use the bleach, you can. It's whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you more comfortable. Okay, this unit has already been plucked, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow my hair. Got my cousin cornering it for me, and apply the glue and smack this baby on. So I'm starting off by first applying the wig cap. Okay, cutting those ear loops. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Ghost Bond. I didn't show it in the video, but I am using the Ghost Bond Platinum. You can get it on Amazon for $24, I believe. You want to make sure that that layer of glue that you put on is transparent, like you can't see it before you go ahead and put that wig on. Okay, so I'm almost done laying the wig. I'm just cutting up that lace, fixing the little pieces that didn't get stuck right. Just showing you. Almost done on one side and almost done on the other. Okay, so here I'm pretty much done. I'm just double checking again. Like I said, it's not my first time, but you always want to make sure that your frontal is good. Okay, always double check. And here you can see we done laid the baby hairs and everything. It looks real good. I didn't show what I used to lay it this flat, but I used a loaded body mousse. And it works with this water wave, honey. Trust me, those curls, they ain't dropping for nothing. Don't forget, if you love this video, like and subscribe.